Fidget spinner battle. This is how fidget spinner battle. Yeah, baby. Oh, what's up, guys? Green Catting today. I am with the man of the hour, Uncle Ricky, and we're doing a fidget spinner battle. We got these. I'll be back. We got these today. I didn't know we were getting these. Hey, look, we got these. So we're gonna fidget spinner battle. But guys, alright. Get the angle. Get the angle. You know you gotta get the angle. The angle. If you don't have the yang, you have to have the yang. I can't have the yang. I'm not getting the yang. I need the yang. I need to yang. I'll be back. Guys, we're gonna stop it. We're gonna have the fidget spinner battle. Alright. So yours over here. 3, 2, 1, go. Ow, 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 ow. Stop. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. I win. 3, 2, 1, go. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, yes. Go. Yes. Get out of here.
Broke it.
I didn't break it. This is supposed to happen.
Okay.
This is supposed to happen. It's called a cap for a I think I actually did. I actually did break it. Because I actually broke it. I think I actually have it wrong. Is that? I think I actually did break it. Guys. Rip fidget spinner. Rip. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to say happy 4th of July yesterday. Hope you guys had a great one. Yeah, I know I did. I'll show you some fireworks I saw. Hey, move your hand over. Thank you. First, let's just show you guys the ultimate spin. This ultimate spin. Ultimate spin, guys. Okay, get the ultimate spin. Yeah. Alright. Let's do some trick shots. Be like, hey, what's up? Ooh. Like, hey, what's up? Be like, ooh. Ooh, that's still spinning. What up? His is still spinning. Yeah, I'm at my grandma's right now, so that's why it's a different. That's why it's a different background than usual. Check out his YouTube channel. Nah, he actually doesn't have one. Just making it up. This is pure content right now. Absolutely pure content. Like, this is just gold content. I mean, if you don't have any other content than this, I don't know what you're doing with your YouTube life. I mean, boy. This is so 2017. Hey guys, I'll be going on Niagara Falls vacation Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So yeah, I won't be able to upload any of them yet on those days. So yeah, it's not like a post 100%, but still, I'm just telling you guys. May record, may not record. It all depends on the situation. Hear the noise. Hear the noise. Oh, finger.
Where did your guys go for vacation?
Yes, yes, the brightness is real. And it's gonna get so dark. It's gonna be like darkness. So wait, just dinner. Hey!
You gonna eat there?
You broke it, yes. You broke it. You broke it.
You have to give you his.
You broke it. Oh, you broke it. Broke it. Broke it. He broke it. He broke it. He broke it. He broke it. Can you believe that? Stop. You broke it. Cringe. I make cringe content. When do you make cringe content? When you have nothing to record. When you ask friends for stuff to record. I'll be back waiting there. You have nothing to record. Give me this. You have nothing to record. All you do is butter flips and land those flips. I just did there. And play flips. Content.
Who are you talking
It's called YouTube Fam. It's YouTube Fam. It's called YouTube Fam. I'm talking to my 23 subscribers.
Oh, you're not on that kind of baloney. They're gonna get all your money.
When I get older, I will make money off of this.
No, but they're gonna get it if you don't.
I'm gonna.
You.
No, they're not. How are they gonna scam me? They're not. Guys, we're eating dinner. Alright, guys. So I'm done eating, and here's a little montage. Turn the light on. Yep. Here's a little montage of, well, like a minute of what I saw of fireworks on the 4th of July. Yeah. So, yep, that was a minute of fireworks from my 4th of July. And there was like 29 more minutes of awesomeness. And yeah, if you have any firework moments that are awesome, maybe cringe or something, maybe send them to me, or like send them to me on Instagram, or upload them to your channel and send me a link to your channel. I will do whatever it does to see them, and yeah, find something to do new. Who's this kid? Who is this kid? Recording.
Hey, my producer just told me fewer than 600 remain. And I apologize for that. But the reason is we can only make them by hand.
Yeah.
Right? There's only so many kids who can. Black ink Heinz burgers. This would be
No copyright. Kidding. No. Get out of my way. No copyright. This is not my room. This is not my room. Maybe I shouldn't be showing that then. This is my room, bro. Just for like until tomorrow. This is my room. This is how I sleep. You just have like a random video because I had no idea. I don't know what to do. Looking around. Oh, oh. It goes round and around. I don't know. I've seen that way too many times. Move on to the. Yeah, yep, okay. That's a laundry basket right there. So, just the lid off. Oh, so just. I will show this one. Hey guys, my phone died, obviously. But, he used to have a crappy computer. Now he actually has like a computer. He's been doing my recording on this tonight. Hopefully I'll be able to. But yeah. Anyways, I think that'll be the end of the video. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave in green Cali who watched it record. And yeah, if you guys like the video, and we'll see you. We'll see you next time. Goodbye. I might have some reaction for you. Yeah.